It's your boy, Lawsonplays, naturalist. Got my cameraman working the camera. Today, I don't really know what we're gonna be doing, but we're out in the wild. Out in the wild. See here, and we're gonna be surviving. Let's go. Oh, you're still here? As you can see, this tree has nutrition and energy in it. Let's go. Try and keep up. Whoa! Dang, actually. Oh, hey! I didn't see you up there. So yeah. Heck of a cool fort. As you can see, empty cribs would approve of this. You want to come inside and explore? Too bad you're going to. Hop on the horse. Hop on the horse. Oh. Hello there. So yeah. This is the living room. Come on, come inside. I said come inside. Wipe your shoes off first. I don't live in a barn.
You live in a tree.
So right here. Right here, this is the kitchen. Get me some meals here. What do you want, cameraman?
Some eggs and bacon.
Leaves.
How do you
Eat up. Nutrition. Right here is the bathroom. As you can see. And yeah, I'm gonna be crushing here for a little bit. Don't know what else to say. Check out next video. And yeah, drop a like if you like my crib, and peace, sucker.